Welcome, survivalists! Today we explore the top 5 best military gear on Amazon. Let's get started. First up, the 511 Tactical Rush 24 Military Backpack. This backpack is perfect for active duty, hunting, or recreation. It's made from strong nylon with a water-repellent coating to keep your gear dry. It has a 37-liter capacity with many compartments for organization. It also features a hydration pocket, adjustable shoulder straps, and MOLLE webbing for extra attachments. The price is around $140. Customers love its durability, storage space, and comfort. Next, we have the Condor Recon Chest Rig. This chest rig is great for carrying your essentials comfortably. It has magazine pouches, utility pouches, and MOLLE webbing for customization. It includes 6 open-top magazine pouches, adjustable padded shoulder straps, interior mesh pockets, and heavy-duty webbing for modular attachments. The price is about $45. Users praise its functionality, ease of use, and adjustability. Third, the Oakley SI Assault Boot. These boots are built for tactical operations, offering great durability and comfort. They are designed to handle tough conditions and are lightweight for quick movements. Features include durable full-grain leather, breathable fabric, an EVA midsole for cushioning, and a high-traction rubber outsole. The price is around $150. Customers highlight the boot's comfort, durability, and performance. Fourth, the Gerber LMF2 Infantry Knife. This knife is a rugged and versatile survival tool. It's designed for tough tasks like cutting through aircraft fuselages or building shelters. It has a 10-inch overall length with a 4.84-inch blade, a partially serrated edge, and a glass-filled nylon handle with TPV overmold. It also comes with a sheath that has an integrated sharpener. The price is around $90. Users highly regard its durability, versatility, and sharpness. Lastly, the Surefire G2X Pro Tactical Flashlight. This flashlight is designed for tactical use, providing reliable illumination in critical situations. It has high and low output settings, with 600 lumens on high and 15 lumens on low. It features a tough nitrilon body with an anodized aluminum bezel, a dual output tail cap click switch, and weatherproof O-ring and gasket sealing. The price is about $70. Customers appreciate its brightness, durability, and reliable performance. These top 5 military gear items on Amazon offer excellent performance, durability, and reliability for various tactical and survival needs. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, prepper, or need reliable gear for duty, these products provide great value and functionality. Be sure to check the latest prices and reviews on Amazon to make an informed purchase. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave comments, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us continue to bring you valuable and exciting survival and bushcraft content. Thank you.